Malacanang denies accusations that selective justice reigns in the Aquino administration. Former Laguna Governor E.R. Ejercito last week claimed that members of their family who are in politics are being singled out. At the same time, Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma stressed that it was the COMELEC that disqualified Ejercito for alleged election overspending. The COMELEC decision was affirmed by the Supreme Court. Elena Luna tells us more.
President Aquino and his administration will continue to push for reforms and will not be affected by the statements of ousted Laguna Governor E.R. Ejercito. Ejercito accused the Aquino government of selective justice because he and his relatives belong to the opposition. PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma clarifies the decision to unseat Ejercito due to election overspending was made not by Malacanang but by two independent bodies.
Mismo ang Korte Suprema ay inuphold yung desisyon ng Commission on Elections na isang independent constitutional body. Sa parte ng Pangulo at ng mga membro ng gabinete, kami ay naglilingkod ayon sa pagtitiwala ng ating mga mamamayan at sinusunod ang saligang batas at lahat ng mga batas ng bansa. Kaya't hindi naman kami nangangamba sa anumang banta na katulad ng kanyang sinabi, dahil ginagawa namin ang aming tungkulin ng naaayon sa batas at ng buong katapatan sa madlang Pilipino.
Ejercito was also quoted for marking the offenses made by the Aquinos to the Ejercitos, including former President Cory Aquino helping unseat Joseph Estrada as mayor and president. Ejercito says he wants to see the president go to jail.
Kaya nga't inaalis natin sa personalidad at tinitignan natin yung mga institusyon at yung tadhana mismo ng batas. Dahil hindi naman dapat maging personal at hindi naman ito personal na issue.
Malacanang notes electoral reform has long been talked about, but this is the only time a sitting elected official has been convicted for disqualification.
Baka naman gusto natin tignan yung positibong aspeto nito na kung saan pinapakita natin sa mga mamamayan na hindi baliwala yung mga tadhana ng batas na kinakailangan sundin ang mga patakaran. At wag namang gamitin yung katwiran na lahat naman ay nag-overspending dahil lahat ng kandidato ay binigyan din ng pagkakataon na mag-file ng mga certificate of expenses nila at sinuri naman ito ng Commission on Elections.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.